caterpillar.
Yeah, and we're gonna get it.
And
now.
do you see that thing?
I'm kind of
moving. We're trying to get it right now.
We're gonna see what.
Okay. It's going to be like.
I got it.
I said, what about if we catch a caterpillar and then Daddy found a caterpillar?
Yeah. So I got it right now.
Yeah,
and it's kind of
hold him.
Yeah, we don't know what it eats, but we think it eats
this stuff because it was on this
plant. I don't know what plant it is.
And I think these are the bite marks of it.
Yeah, because it's got like teeth marks.
Found out
it's a
vapor moth
and larvae. So we're gonna show you our chick.
Yeah, our chick is so cute.
If you can see it.
Yeah, it's quite black actually.
Yeah.
He's right there. It's called chickpea.
Yeah. And the mum's
these are chickens.
These are chickens, and they really like sorrow. Look. So the mum makes this sound to make the chick come entice them. The chick really likes it, but the thing that the chick really likes is woodlices.
Yeah.
It's quite grown up now, and it's called chickpea.
Guys, these really like these flowers, and they're called foxgloves, and they're poisonous, and inside the flowers they have like spots, and outside the flower it just has pink.
Yeah.
If you are wondering where the caterpillar is, we just sit in the shade, and if it's in the sun, it'll dry up and die.
Yeah, and so you can't leave them in the sun.
These bite marks? I think these are the caterpillar.
Now, this is sage, and bees really love it, and horseflies. And you use it
and honeybees.
Yeah, and you use it for cooking, and it has really lovely flowers. I haven't smelled them before.
Yeah, and did you know, we saw bees going on this.
These are called woodlice, and they have 14 legs.
Yeah.
Well,
they go on this flower bees.
And we got a snail. Yeah, but we got a black one right now. So,
it's flying.
Can I tell you what's in our compost?
Whoa.
Guess what? There's a rat in our compost.
Yeah, and there's slow worms, and we saw a very big one before.
And slow worms kind of look like snakes. Kind of like grass snakes, but grass snakes like have more green on them.
And did you know, slow worms aren't snakes, they're called a legless lizard.
Yeah. Bye. No,
Bye.
not bye.